Welcome to the video series on ABB CP500 PLCs and HMIs. On completion of this particular video, you will have an understanding of the new features of Panel Builder 610, the programming tool dedicated to CP600 control panels. With the utmost care to ensure quality, we are providing you the latest Panel Builder 600 version containing evolutions, brand new features, and stabilized applications. The first feature is the improvement of the tag editor. First of all, select for instance a numeric field and attach a tag to its value. You have now a quick selection of tag by filter. For example, enter L, and you will get automatically all tags starting with L, as quick selector. On the second filtering option, your selection will be displayed into the main window. Each tag is under the associated protocol. Here is another example with the letter D. Each protocol containing a tag starting with D will be filtered and displayed. We will now enter the Actions window and scrolling down to System Action, and then selecting Dump Trend. We have now the possibility to directly create a CSV file to store your trend data. Your file name can also contain date and time to distinguish easily your files. When you create a new project or if you want to change it, you have the possibility to select between landscape and portrait mode for all panels. When you define a user group for each name, admin, guest or unauthorized, you can now set up a different home page. You can also decide if you want them to go on the last visited page. Moreover, switching between users has been improved and is now faster. Into recipes you have a new icon permitting you to select the data storage type. Between Flash, USB, or SD and select the appropriate path. The Widget Gallery has been enriched with a bunch of new factory symbols, such as engines, mixers, corners, joints, tanks, etc. For each one you have an easy access to all properties and can adjust the color, attach tags like any other widget. Finally, the trend editor has been entirely modified. The intuitive window enables you in one glance to adjust all parameters. Select first the source between all your tags. You can adjust the sampling time as well as the number of samples, and select a tag as trigger. Then you can save values on flash, USB, or SD card. Buffer can be cyclic overwriting data, or create new file when it's full.
Thank you for attending this video. If you want to learn more about CP600 series, please use the following link. Or if you have an additional technical questions, you can contact our helpline support. For general comments and questions about this video, don't hesitate to contact us.